It's grilling season, folks, and I'm going to show you how to make my ultimate red potato salad. Let's get started. First, we're going to need about 3 medium to large red potatoes here. I've washed these and I'm just peeling the skins off. You don't have to be super diligent about getting everything off. There's a little bit of flavor in the skin, so if there's a couple dots, nobody cares. The most important thing though is getting the size right. Always. If you've had a potato salad where the chunks were too small or too big, well, this is kind of my formula for getting it right. Now I'll cut them in half and then cut the halves in half. Now I'm going to cut that again, those quarters basically, lengthwise, and now I'm going to chop this into 1/2-inch chunks. That seems to be about perfect for getting these all cooked up and everything. They shrink a little bit, so it's perfect. Let's get these in a pot. We're going to put a bunch of salt in this, and then we're going to throw this on a burner and get this boiling. They cook 10-12ish minutes, something like that, until they're ready. Now the other secret here is grilled red onions. Okay, that sounds weird, but raw onions are a bit overpowering. Grilled onions are amazing. We're getting into all the secrets here. These are pepperoncinis. These come in a jar. These are pickled. They are a little bit spicy, but not too spicy. These are amazing and incredible. This is a lot of pepperoncinis, but I have a taste for them, so I'm using 1/4 cup of this. That may be a lot for you. Start with a tablespoon if this is your first time. 1/4 cup of pickles and 1/4 cup of celery. Round out the veggies that we need for this. We've got 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. This is Best Foods because it's the only kind that's available locally. I have 1/2 teaspoon of dill weed going into this. A whole bunch of black pepper because that's going to give it a nice flavor and a little kick to it. A little bit of what I call garlic, this minced garlic in a can. Works great. Other secret, 2 squirts of Frank's Red Hot sauce. I told you this was the ultimate red potato salad, and it is if you like things spicy. Hey, our potatoes are done. They're ready to go. We're just going to get these drained, let them sit for a second, get all the moisture off. Now we're going to add this to our vegetable and mayonnaise mixture. Give this a really good stir. You want to make sure you get this well combined. The other important thing is to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Mayonnaise gets funky when it gets warm, so you want to make sure that it's all together as you do that. Wrap it in some plastic wrap, and then this has to go in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. Overnight is fantastic. When you take this out and are ready to serve this, you just got to give it a quick stir, and it's perfect just like that. It's incredible. I hope you make this, and I hope you enjoy this because I really love this. It's taken me years to perfect this. And it's kind of special, so if you like it, leave me a comment, let me know, and hopefully you enjoy it with a great meal like this. Some barbecued chicken, some hot links, some cornbread, some corn on the cob. Nothing says summer like a meal like this. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.